Roasting some marshmallows. Where's the paper? Okay. What happened to our paper? Okay, the paper. A rock. Now we found. I'm gonna grab one of these. Research. Round table. Oh, another one. Over. Hold on. Hold it. And you got the marshmallow. There you go. Okay. So push me down. So another one that's lit up. There's that. Right there. Another one right there. Right there. Then the cap. It doesn't have to. It has to be like. It doesn't have to be flattened. Then you just leave it there for a little bit, and then tender. So once you're on the half paper, a rock said, if it's one day, guys. Mirror. Where's the sun? The sun. Let's zoom in on the sun. John. This one's pretty bright. Okay, so then you want it like a light, and then you. Okay, first you want to seal the paper. It could be one. There, let's see. Good position. Perfect. So now we'll just wait for that marshmallow to roast. For today's short video. No, so fight the past, take back the night. Is there more marshmallows? Take back the night. Is there more marshmallows?